Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update underwriting with Zillow's Deal Manager step by step clearly. Open the Zillow Deal Manager application. Log in using your registered credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the property you wish to update. Click on the property to open its details. Find the Underwriting section on the property page. Click the Edit button within the Underwriting section. Review the existing underwriting details. Make the necessary updates to the loan amount, interest rate, or terms. Ensure you include any new information that may affect the underwriting. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Once all updates are complete, click the Save button. A confirmation message will appear indicating the changes have been saved. If needed, add any relevant notes in the comments section. Review the updated underwriting information for final confirmation. Close the property details page to return to the dashboard. Your underwriting updates are now complete and reflected in Zillow's Deal Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.